Okay, YouTubers, this is the end of this video. So look, it's all installed. Look, right here. So this boat is at 12 millimeters. This one is a 10 millimeter. All right, so these bolts are very tight. And hold on a second. And on top, the top right here. Hold on, I'll put more light. See these bolts right here are 14 millimeters. They're really tight. Oh, by the way, if you want to remove this this piece right here, I'll show you. Hold on a sec. See these little pins right here? Like they snap right in. So there's a hole right here and holes right here. So these will line up like this, and you just push in. So I just put this in the meantime to give me a bit room to work on here. And oh, by the way, guys, a little tip: when you're installing this back on, it's a bit tricky because the holes are not the same diameter from here to here, here to here. So you can either measure, or the top bare mount plate, you can turn it by hand. What you do is you bolt it in here, and then you go on top right here, and then with your with what I did is, it's not there anymore, but I had a little jack stand on the bottom here to hold it down. So because when you remove this little guy right, oh, sorry about the light, because when you remove these bolts, all the suspension, all the wheel, all the top mount, the side plate right here will all draw down, and it may cause problems. So yeah, the jack stand was right here, but I removed it for more because I'm not using it anymore. So if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, or you can click right here to subscribe to see more of my videos. So thanks for watching.